Jerusalem Talmud Yomi, Tractate Bikurim, Chapter 1, Mishnah 7. If he declared his first fruits, and then sold his field, he brings but does not make the declaration. The other person cannot bring from the same kind, but from another kind he brings and makes the declaration. Rabbi Judah says he may bring and make the declaration from the same kind. If he dedicated his first fruits, and then they rotted, were robbed, stolen, lost, or became impure, he brings others in their stead. One is not liable for a fifth for the replacements. If they became impure in the temple court, he scatters them and cannot make the declaration. From where that he is responsible for them, from where do we know that he's responsible for them until he delivers them to the Temple Mount? Because it is said in Deuteronomy 26:3, the beginning of the first fruits of your land you shall bring to the temple of the eternal your God. This teaches that he is responsible for them until he delivers them to the Temple Mount. If he brought from one kind and made the declaration, when he comes back and brings from another kind, he cannot make the declaration. Halacha. What is the reason of the rabbis? Deuteronomy 26:3. I am declaring today. He declares once, but not twice. Does not Rabbi Judah hold so? He does, referring to one person, but two persons can declare and declare again. Rabbi Yochanan said, I am stating this as the opinion of a single individual. It was stated thus, Rabbi Shimon ben Judah says, in the name of Rabbi Shimon, for the replacement, one is not obligated for a fifth. Rabbi Shmuel ben Rav Isaac, in the name of Rav Huna, the replacement, one even buys on the market. How do you treat these? As addition of first fruits or adornment of first fruits? If you treat them as addition to first fruits, they are not under the rules of demai. If you treat them as adornment of first fruits, they are under the rules of demai. If they became impure in the temple court, he scatters them and cannot make the declaration. Rabbi Chama bar Ukva, in the name of Rabbi Yossi bar Chanina, if the first fruits became impure, the baskets are given to the priests, since it is said in Deuteronomy 26:4, the Kohen shall take the basket from thy hand. V'lakach hakohen hatena miyadecha. For whom is this needed? For Rabbi Judah? Even though Rabbi Judah said, he declares again. But if he brought from one kind and made the declaration, when he comes back and brings from another kind, he cannot make the declaration. Rabbi Jonathan said, Rabbi Shimon ben Yochai stated this, Deuteronomy 26:5, you shall say, Deuteronomy 26:11, you shall enjoy, you have to say it while you enjoy.